Hi guys, recently last week I had a problem with my Facebook. I couldn't log in, guys. Okay, and I thought it was maybe me who was having a problem. But thank God I can really log in. I can log into my account. Earlier before that, I was actually giving an error like unable to log in. Unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. And I thought maybe it was maybe my internet or something, or maybe my phone is old. So I really didn't give an attention to it. So we're going to see what I did which worked. I believe it may work for you because all my friends who had the same issue, few of them actually it worked well. Okay. Now the issue is, first of all, when I realized my Facebook wasn't working, I thought it actually was an internet issue or something. Then actually the following day, a friend of mine called me, "Hey Brian, I know you are, IT survey, and you may have solutions to this." I just told him maybe cross check your password or internet. I didn't know actually you're having the same problem as mine. Then actually the following day, another one called, and that day actually I like two. And another one sent me a screenshot, and I was actually the screenshot was showing the same problem which I was having. That's when I realized, oh my gosh, I think this has to be a general problem on Facebook. Okay. Now, this was happening on my app. I've always used Facebook on my app for, I don't know, I even don't actually remember the passwords. I had to actually check my somewhere where I kept my password to even remember the password, which I changed maybe like 2 years ago, maybe something like that. So I realized actually I couldn't do anything on the app. I even tried to reset. Now, some of the people I've seen they are saying like you can uninstall the app and reinstall it. Actually, I tried that one, and for some reasons, mine actually failed to work. I don't know, maybe I don't know, maybe it was my phone, but I'm sure it kind of failed to many of you who are watching this video. So what I did is I did one thing, guys. I just used a browser to log into my Facebook. I just used Chrome. I went to Chrome, went to facebook.com, and I logged in with my email and my password, and it just worked. I believe it may even work on Mozilla or anything, any other browser. So I believe the glitch may be with the Facebook app. Even if you uninstall it or install it again, still actually may get the same issues. Though some of the people reported like when you kind of uninstall and you install it again, it can kind of help you fix that issue. But to my case, actually, my solution worked for all of my friends. I told them just get to your PC, go to your Chrome. Actually, I just told them Chrome because I use a lot of Chrome, but I believe even browsers can do. But maybe if it refuses another browser, specifically use Chrome because all of those guys use Chrome. You get? Yeah, just to be sure, okay? So I logged in and Facebook works fine. Now, for some reason, I don't know, when I went to my app again and I tried to log in, still I was getting the same issue. So to me, my side, I think the problem is maybe with the app. You can, maybe with the app, I don't know what's messed up there, but actually using a browser to me worked. Okay. So that is it, guys. For some of you who like to get more video suggestions from my channel, I usually do channels about how to make money online, and I do some reviews of some applications and apps which actually confuse people into thinking that you can make money with them, yet they don't actually work. In other words, I help you find what works and what doesn't work. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. I appreciate a like if you can subscribe, but if you subscribe, I'll be very appreciative, guys. Okay. See you guys in the next video, and bye bye.